Quebravo.com.
Oh, yeah.
This is the first deployment of the F-22 as we continue to build our partnership and train and work together to improve us as allies in the nation on how we would ultimately fight if we had to. Personnel will spend most of their time on the ground in Spangdahlem, and it is no surprise that the first Allied base the F-22 has arrived is here at Lask, Poland. And they will continue to train side by side with our allies to be able to prove how we operate a fifth generation fighter in Europe.
Bo musisz pełnić honory gospodarza. Dziękuję bardzo.